Welcome to CloudShare, the solution that helps you manage all your web content in one place. In this video, you'll get started with CloudShare. CloudShare allows you to save links and manage all your web content in one place. It's made up of 3 components: a web app, a mobile app, and a browser extension. The web app makes it easy to manage all your saved content. You can view, edit, share, and collaborate with other CloudShare users. The mobile app gives users the ability to save links, view and manage their items on the go, and comes with all the same functionality as the web app. The browser extension offers an easy way to save links fast. The CloudShare apps have several tools to help you manage all your content. Items for managing all of your saved links. Collections for organizing items into groups and collaborating with other CloudShare users. Tags for adding keywords to your items. Favorites for easy access to all your favorite items. An inbox to view share and collaboration requests. Stats to evaluate viewership. And finally, feedback to share your thoughts with the CloudShare team. When you save a link with the browser extension or the mobile app, we call it an item. What is an item? An item is a bookmark or any resource with the URL, such as a web page, an image, a video, or a document. You can assign an item type to each item you create. With CloudShare, you can also add tags to your items. A tag is a keyword that is associated with your item that makes it easier to search and find the item later. Adding a tag is easy. Simply type a word into the tags field, then click Save. Collections help you organize items for better management. A collection is a group of items. It's like a folder to put related items into. To add a collection, just type the name in the Collections field and click Save. Go to cloudshare.us.oracle.com to launch the web app, install the mobile app, and install the browser extension. It's easy to get started with CloudShare. CloudShare. Collect, organize, collaborate.